Today we're going to look at moment. I'll be posting a lot of questions on moment. Just go through the channel and check some videos where I'll be talking about moment. So let's get into the discussion. So this is moment. It is defined as the turning effect of a force. The unit of moment is Newton point meter. After moment, we have moment of forces. What is moment of forces? This is the product of the force and the perpendicular distance. And this is the formula which describes moment of forces. Moment of forces is equal to force multiplied by the perpendicular distance. When they say perpendicular distance, we mean the force should act at 90 degrees. So this is the force. And then this is the distance. This is probably the pivot. For us to produce the turning effect, we should have distance and the force that is acting at perpendicular distance. So we have a question here. Is there moment in the diagrams below? That's the question. Let's find out if these two diagrams produce this moment. The first diagram, we have the pivot here, distance, and the force which is acting at 90 degrees here. So in the first diagram, there is a moment. A moment is produced. Let's go to the next diagram. We have the pivot, we have the distance, but look at where the force is going. The force is going into this direction. Okay? In other words, this force is not at 90 degrees or it is not at perpendicular distance. So the moment is not going to be produced in the second diagram. Why? Because the force is going in this direction and not at 90 degrees. So there is no moment in the second direction. Let's move to the next thing on the calculation of moment.